Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, January the 13th, 2025. And I've already solved one puzzle, the three-star Sudoku, so three puzzles are left. The binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the four-star Sudoku number 9897. And before I always count the printed digits. Well, the four-star Sudoku in the additional has always 24 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for four-stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a four stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here three ones. We have here three twos, three fours, two fives, three sixes, two sevens, two eights, two nines. So it's divided. Okay, which number can I pick? How about? One, two, three. Yeah. Need a six here. Need a one here. Come on, two. Need two here. Need a two there. Okay. In the first row, we have three missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is two. We have a two in this big square, so no two in this box. Here can be two. We have a two in the second column, so no two. There's the only place left with two in the first row. Should be there. Four and eight. Okay. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Need an 8 there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these three boxes. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 in those two boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. Now we have two missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in one of those two boxes in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 4 goes there. 8, okay. 8. In this big square, we need an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So that column, the only two places left with 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Need an 8 here. Then, let me see. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 6, 8, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4. Need a 4 here. 4, need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Complicated. 9. How about here, the 9. 4. Yeah. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so last column. The only two places left with 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And I believe we have a 4 here also. Need a 4 here. Come on, come on, come on. This is taking too long. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so last column. The only 2 places left to choose should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. In this big square, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have 2 in this one, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, last row. 2 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left to choose should be here or there. We have 2 in the second column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left to choose should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Need a 2 here also. Cannot continue with the 2. Well. Need a 6 there. Come on. Need a 6 here. Need a 4 here. No 9. 6. Need a 4. 6, 4. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third column. The only place left of the 1 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left, 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this first column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 6 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. Need the 8 here. 6. Well. 6. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this one, no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this one, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Need a 6 here also. Well, 3, need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. Come on. 4, 4. 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. So 1 digit left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have 5 in this one, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so the last column. The only place left for the 5 is should be there. 1, 3, 7. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, now only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 8. We have an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 5, 5, okay. And I need a 6 here also, okay. We have a pair. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 6. We have 5 and the 6 in this column, so no 5 and the 6 in these 2 boxes. We have 5 and the 6 in this column, middle column, so no 5 and the 6 in these 2 boxes. And we have a 5 and the 6 in this row, so no 5 and the 6 in these 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left for the 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. No need to place level 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place level 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 7. We have a 7 now in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, first column, so the column 3. The only 2 place level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 box left now in the second row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. The 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 6 and the 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. 9 and the 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. And the final 2, no, 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Another 4, another 3, another 2, another 1. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 14 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye.